everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Lorene Plans. She has some awesome stickers and she has some incredible sales, so if you are ever interested, follow her on Instagram and you will be able to get in on the sales as well. So she has it in this cute bag with her little sticker on it. And I ordered a hodgepodge of things. Oh, and I used to PR for her and she gave me a little sample sheet from my PR days. And then Heather does PR now, and if you do Heather 20, you can get her PR, which is really cute, which is what I used for her discount. I got a 20% discount, and then she also had a sale, so it was pretty cute. And I got this little thank you, and it's like a divider or whatever, you can use it, and her business card, which also has a shop credit. You can collect the little butterflies and put them on here, and the butterflies are on her sample sheet. So this is one of them. I could take this off and put it on here, and when I collect them all, I can save $10. So I purchased this one, which is called Knit Friends, which is oh so cute. Oh my goodness. And I picked the mini kit. I love the pink and the green together. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is with the washi tape. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. I might have to use that one coming up. And then I got a Christmassy one, and I think I already have this one, but it was on special, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and grab it, even though I won't use it until next year, or later this year, I guess. But this is Holly Jolly Christmas, and it's cute with the little critters. And the mini kits come with 3 pages, and that's what I usually like to get for my planner. I either like the Hobo Cousin or the mini kit, so I'll intertwine them and get whichever. Sometimes she offers something in one set, but not in another. And this is her Hippity Hop Easter. So this one is obviously for Easter. I thought it was really cute. He has risen, and it has a cross here, but then it also has the bunny, which I think is cute. That's what I enjoy. I enjoy all of it. Oh, and little rain boots. Very cute. And I like how she separates them into little bags too. And I like to keep them that way. It's easier to sort through when I'm looking, and it's easier to find things, and you know that they're all together. And this one is Love You No Matter What. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. I don't even think I realized it was a Valentine's set. I just saw the little mushrooms and thought, oh, that's so cute, in the name. But it's totally perfect for Valentine's Day. Look at the little gnomes. So cute, so cute, so cute. And then I love these ones that you fold over. I don't know if you've seen my Plan With Me's recently, but check them out. I usually use at least one every week, and I think they're just so fun. And this one it's a sticker orders, so you can put your order, where you shopped, how much you spent, if it's been shipped, if it's received, whatever you want. It's just really cute. And then she fills the page up, so she didn't. And this is the bright rainbow, but you know there was extra. She put 2 here, but then she had a little bit of room, and so she put just the sticker envelope, which I think is great. And same with this one. This is the pay bills, and you can put whatever you need to pay, and then maybe a total here, or however you want to do it. And she put a couple extras down here. This one is new to me. It's the electric bill, so I thought that was cute. I can write down how much it was and when I paid it or whatever. And the wallet. This is a second purchase for me. I love the wallet. And the mortgage one. I thought that was cute. And this is a payday one. And this is a cell phone bill one. And this one is a bill due. And that is everything I got. So fun purchase. I'm happy because I like to use these. Yay! And I love this Valentine one and the Easter one, and my favorite though is this knitting one because I am so hooked on that right now. So you guys will probably be seeing this one again soon. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.